Next, in fourth place, is the Bead X Better Life. Cheese comes in many different forms, but more importantly, it has given birth to thousands of new recipes and dishes. There are loads of textures that range from soft to hard. The hard textured cheese usually has to be grated before it can be used within a recipe. And you probably know how difficult it is to grate a whole block of cheese by hand. That's why you need the Bead X Better Life cheese grater, because it makes the grating process super fast and easy. We love that it has a very stable independent stand design. This means you do not need to hold it in your hands and risk slipping or arm fatigue. We like that this grater has 5 interchangeable stainless steel cones to suit your different needs. This includes a coarse grating cone, fine grating cone, thick slicing cone, thin slicing cone, and general grinding cone. This makes chopping, shredding, and grinding cucumber, carrot, potato, onion, cheese, chocolate, garlic, and even peanuts easy. What's more, the 150-watt motor ensures that this unit can easily grate the ingredients 12 times faster than manual cheese shredders. This is thanks to its food chute and one-touch button design that improves the efficiency over traditional graters you would usually use. We think this is great news because it means you don't need to worry about carefully making cheese slices for your sandwiches, and, in general, you'll spend less time preparing food. Lastly, we appreciate this unit's robust design and clean look that sits well on any kitchen counter. Its pros are, it has a stable design, it's very efficient, and it has a sleek look. However, it can take a while to clean. The Bead X Better Life is a compact and particularly effective time-saving cheese grater. Still haven't found an electric cheese grater that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.